What it do, people? It's your boy Rich Eats. I'm out here in my city again. I got the munchies, so I'm about to go grab me something to eat. And it is Tuesday, so Taco Tuesday, you feel me? Now, what I'm about to do is go hit up this Holy Moly and check out what they tacos hitting for. A lot of people told me they fire. I haven't had it yet. And you know, it's a couple of them by my house too. I just never really been a Holy Moly type person, but we're gonna go over here, check these tacos out. I'm gonna let y'all see what they look like and what they're hitting for. So let's go get this, people. Chill. All right, YouTube, so we made it here to Holy Moly, and we about to go in here and see how good these tacos are, so let's go get it. All right, people, made it back to the car, and I got the food right here. Let me take y'all for a little close-up of this, show y'all what we working with here. All right, people, so got my tacos here. And of course, I got my sauce. I got the green sauce. So that's what we're going with. Now, first up, I haven't had a chicken taco in a long time. So let's go ahead and try this out. Man, the chicken meat alone is cooked to perfection. Like, look at that. Let's put this sauce on here, people. People, that chicken taco was fire. One of the best chicken tacos I've had. Now I'm about to go in for this fish taco because I have never had a fish taco. I gotta see what it's all about. I'm not the biggest fan of fish, but you know, I do eat it here and there, so I got nothing against it. See that? They got the cabbage on top. Oh, tomatoes, onions, the fish, and the sauce I'm about to add. So, well, I gotta do it for YouTube, so no sauce first. Let's see. First time ever having a fish taco in my life, people. Not just here, in my life. So, let's go for it. It's over now. Alright people, that fish taco was whatever. Probably won't be getting it again, but at least I tried it, right? Now we going in, the last taco, the asada taco. Let's see what this is hitting for, people. All right, people, last bite. And I'll give y'all my complete rating for this whole little situation I just got, so let's go. All right, people, so those tacos was fire. I'm not a big fan of the fish tacos, probably never will be, but I'm not saying it was bad. The chicken's cooked so perfect. It's like whoever in there grilling it really know what they're doing. It's the perfect amount of seasoning, the perfect amount of char on it. It's just, you know, it's cooked to perfection. You know, they dice it up in little small cubes, so, you know, because I'm not really a big fan of shredded chicken tacos. I don't like shredded chicken. The way they do it, it's exactly how it should be done, people. Now, those tacos were fire, all three of them. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a big fan of the fish tacos. Probably won't be getting those again from like any place. That's just, you know, a personal preference of mine. I'm not a big fish person. But the chicken taco was the best chicken taco I've had so far. Best chicken taco I've had from anywhere so far. That's Holy Moly. If you ever had Holy Molys, you know I'm not joking. If all you guys who watching, if y'all ever had Holy Moly, drop it in the comments. Leave a fire if that's what it is, because to me it's triple fire. So yeah, that was the chicken taco. The fish taco, it was good, nice crispy. The fish was real tender, soft. You know, I believe they used halibut or maybe whiting fish, I'm not too sure, but it's perfect. You know, it comes with the cabbage on it, tomatoes, onions, and you know, it's pretty good. You know, if you're a fish person, you'll love it. You'll love it. And as far as the asada, you know, one of the best asada tacos I've had. It's like the seasoning and the way they cooking their food, they know what they're doing. They're putting the right ingredients in there and cooking it to perfection. So the asada is fire. So all together, when I'm gonna give Holy Moly, all together in one, I'm gonna say this is one of the best taco spots I've been to, and I'm gonna give them a 9.2. I'm not joking, people. Holy Moly Tacos is a 9.2. That's an official review, people. No joking. Come try it out for yourself, please. I'm at the one in Long Beach, right off 4th, in like, I believe Cerritos. We're close by, right off 4th Street. You can Google it, you'll find it. But anyway, people, that was fire. That was Holy Moly. Incredible, incredible tacos. And it's another review, people. So till next time, deuces. So